Hey, we're here doing a video of this John Deere 300CX loader. The back half here is a nice shape, but I'm going to talk about the front half here. There is surface, there is rust here. There's no rust through, but you can see there's some rust down there. It's all solid still. There's rust there. I'll just touch here, down here in this area where my hand is. It does chip away, but it's not, no rust through, but it'll last for years yet before it, 20 years before it would get even worse serious. But okay, then I'm going to go here on the inside. There's where that bar needs to be replaced on that side. As you can see here, there's rust there that I just picked that piece off. And then there's down there where that has rusted away. That's the worst spot there on this side. Let me get at it from this angle. You can see there where that's supposed to be attaching. It's gone, so that would need to be rebuilt down there. That's the worst spot there. There's probably a great angle of it. And we'll go over here to the other side where it's still intact. Over here, let's see, it's intact there. And then I'll get under here so you can see that. There. So there we got this side. Looks there. That's all solid yet. It could be sandblasted and painted over, but again, this side is the concern. So I'm going to come back here, look at where the top of the loader connects. It looks good, but there's rust there. There's some rust there, but it's all solid except for this area back in here. And then we'll go here on this side of the loader. There. In there. So there you have it. Give us a call if any questions, but hopefully that shows you where we're talking and the areas of concern.